Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, February 18th. Now Monday is President's Day and we're going to have a shortened session. It starts 5 o'clock Chicago time Sunday night, Asia, which is Asia Monday morning, and it goes till noon Chicago time on Monday. It'll open again 5 o'clock Monday night for a Tuesday trade date, which is again the opening of Asia. So what we're seeing, I think, is in these stock indices a sign of confidence. We have some fundamental things that are driving these markets, and it's a fairly optimistic outlook. And what do I look for on Monday? Not a big move, but at least an inside to positive close type day for the stock indices and in the currencies. If you look at the euro in terms of how it's setting up here, surprisingly bullish. It does imply follow through. I don't look for a dramatic move on Monday, but I think Tuesday we could see that market starting to move. Interest rates, the 10-year notes, we're looking for an inside type day, and that's really what we have here. A market that had a fairly large move on Thursday, Friday, relatively quiet. We're looking for weaker prices though on next week. And if we take a look at what's happening with metals, gold did firm up. I find that really interesting. A positive step in that market, but can it follow through? That's the big question. So I'll be watching that closely next week. It does imply an up move. I'm looking for an inside day on Monday. Silver traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change in that market's $350 a contract, and again, I'm looking for unchanged to only slightly higher on Monday. Inside day, I think, would make more sense. And I feel the same way about crude oil. We've seen some fundamentals that came out of Saudi Arabia, but I'm looking for an inside day on Monday in that market. And I feel the same way about soybeans. We've gotten low enough to find some buyers. This is bullish, but next week I'm looking for a sideways move in that market. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again next week. In the meantime, take care.